Yo everybody, today we're gonna play Scary Sushi once again.
Bro,
I think the janitor is a janitor, yes.
the janitor is definitely A-okay, bro. He's like the healthiest person. I'm not even
Open
joking.
more.
Open the door, bro.
No, why doesn't it no open?
Open the door. I bet the second the door opens, there's the janitor just camping. Yeah, see?
Bye bye, janitor.
Abba, fluff, fluff.
I need to. Oh, I only realized it. The ingredients
Janitor,
for
Abba.
rice is rice. No, that's wheat.
Slang is
Hey, be
slang,
careful.
boy. Slang is slang.
Oh, high cut cooking rice.
Let's go, bro.
They're not
Let's
getting
go, bro.
another thing.
Cook up faster.
Enjoy the take relaxing sound of
Cook
the
up faster.
cooking rice.
I don't hear any like good relaxing
Because
sound,
you
bro. It just
have
says some
no
random
data.
stuff. Wait, let me increase the volume and see how relaxing it is, bro.
The janitor is coming for us.
Janitor is coming
Bro, I
to get
accidentally took
you. Oh
rice.
yeah,
Just keep it with you, bro.
get
Bro,
out,
I have
janitor.
two rice.
Nobody likes you, ugly freak.
Bro, I have two rice.
Get the
That's the
naughty,
problem.
ding a lang, hang a lang, bajangang boy.
You shut up, you autistic idiot. Howe.
Naughty Master 5000. Okay, good.
Now, bro, that's the most simple name I've ever heard.
Yeah, no joke.
No,
What
it's
did it do to the nori, bro? It said shredding. Instead of shredding, it turned into a flat
yeah,
piece of
what did
paper
it
type of thing.
shredding, bro? No one shredded nothing.
Exactly. You turned it into a piece of paper. You did not shred anything. Oh, no wonder, Sherlock. This order requires two ingredients. I totally can't see, big brainer. Not like a third who didn't even cook the rice and went to get the nori. Okay.
Exactly, bro.
No, that's possible if you're not in the tutorial.
I'm gonna shred my leg.
What?
So your leg is
Are
no.
you good, bro?
Good to know.
No, bro. Now I have lost my leg. I can't do anything.
App.
I'm hopping
Because
with
your
in
thing, your name is Arya Noob. No, 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 no. Okay, so Arya, my mom is 30.
Nori Master 5000.
the most
Shredding.
simple name
Arya,
ever.
how is it like? Like, how is it like?
Like, so there's this damn kite teacher. She'll
Why
teach
does
you
it
how
say
to do like the basics, and
first house complete?
then we'll have to like
Yay!
make our
Slay
own
daddy.
games. Yeah, I'm number one.
Yeah, I'm
Jacob,
second.
everyone did the exact same thing. And Jacob, you
Yeah, I'm
kept the
second.
Jacob, you kept the thing at the end.
Well
As
done.
opposed to skip, yo. He skipped.
Get this out of my
He
face, bro.
skipped.
Jaytak, skip it, bro.
I cannot see how to skip that. Then just leave.
No.
Just get out.
There's no that how to skip.
Bro, I cannot see the skip logo.
Wait, I have an idea. Right side of your screen, bro.
You It's leave now, there. and then we'll invite you back.
No,
Yeah,
that
bro.
will not work.
Are you prepared, fish?
Skip! Oh my yapso, bro.
Yapso karnapso.
Bro, we'll cook the fish in the fish
I'm
cooker.
going into a room with a kraken, bro. What type of renovation are you doing, bro?
Bro, he looks like Titans.
Why do they have the entire thing? What
Jaytak,
the
what Titan speaker man thing are you saying?
Titans?
What is this dish, man? I would never eat this.
Does
Rice
one
with
not know what sushi is or something?
that is not a sushi. I know.
It's a nice bro. Do you not know how to eat or what sushi is?
Exactly, da. Have you never seen sushi in your life?
Yes, never.
Not that the normal sushi you also hate. I'm fine if you hate that.
Oh my god, I must fan.
Of course,
Bro,
yes, you.
Come, bro, I
What
don't
a
have some
scam
patience.
game. I had rice before. But I had
Chetak,
this scam
don't
game
go,
that
bro.
deleted
That
my
Mr.
rice and gave
Janitor
me
is gonna be
34
camping,
rice.
I bet.
Or the janitor? Scare Jetak.
Why me? What did I do?
Oh god.
That scared the Jetak out of me.
What did I
Wait,
do,
how
bro?
ya? How ya?
Stupid freaking
Yeah.
janitor. Da.
Oh, game. Should we just show ma'am or just like normal game?
Yeah.
I'm gonna be chopping up. Bro, I could chop this fish faster than this stupid
You
machine.
basically
bro.
do not have to do any coding. Like, spend like 1 week or something. Just need to do it
Oh
in
my
like
god, it's cutting
30
its
minutes.
nail, you bro.
Bro, ma'am says
No.
that the class is for 1 hour, but you know how long the
It's
class
cutting
is?
its eyeballs. Oh hell no.
Only for like some 30 minutes.
Hell nah, man.
How
Adam,
expensive
can you
is it?
shut up for once? I said, hell no, man. Hell no, man.
How expensive is it?
I really do not know how it's
I
going.
think
I'll
Senator
ask my
Baba
father.
Fluff is coming. Yeah, he's coming.
Look cute.
Jetak, why would you go? Are you...
Hey janitor, can I stalk you, daddy?
Okay, this is the act. This is legit the same dish. I'm not even joking. Bro.
They thought the color is different.
Okay, bro. That's
Jetak,
totally
stay on the
bad.
first dish.
No,
Why are you eating
Jetak.
you?
I'm on the second dish, bro.
Crap. Then why do you take salmon?
I need salmon. It's salmon rice.
No, we need tuna, you idiot.
Do you not see colors? Colorblind.
It's
I
blue.
don't think he does. Bro. I think he's a blindo.
They eat the fish eyes, bro. Feel the fish's head, and then here
Bro, I look like the janitor, bro. I was about to scream.
Bruh.
God, you're very bad scaring me.
Yeah, I'll do it.
I'm gonna stand on the chopping machine and see if I hurt my legs.
That's what I also tried to do, man. I was gonna give them my blood.
blood donation.
Exactly, blood donation.
Why did the tuna change color?
What? What?
It went from pinkish yellow to grey.
Because you. But why does this flounder have two eyes?
It looks so weird. Dog, I got tuna again. I'm gonna do this.
Like it has two eyes, but on the same thing. Like, huh?
It looks so. It looks demonic. I'm not even joking, bro. If I saw that in my
You think I was alive?
I died.
yeah, buddy, bro. After getting touched by a freaking kraken, I'll be alive. Da. His name is Oscar. That too. What type of name is that?
Exactly. The artist got better naming, no?
Oscar reward. Oh shit, he's coming, he's coming, he's coming.
They could have gave him a terrifying name, but no, they gave him a Oscar.
Bro, what's up, Oscar? It was
I'm
the janitor's
Oscar.
name. The janitor's name is Norman, right? You
Yeah.
what's up, Norman? Yeah, what's up, Oscar?
Almost jumped in again, bro. What am I doing?
Yeah, what's your problem?
Oh, it's not even that hard, bro.
Oh
It's
my
so hard, man. I've broken my ankles like 5 times because of this.
skill issue, man.
Bro, it's water.
Did you say? I'm gonna break your ankles, Chetan. Just come here, bro.
Jeta, what is Jeta?
Yay! I said that.
Okay. Okay, Arya, I'm gonna break your ankles. Norman, break Arya's ankles for me real quick.
Nah, man, boo boo. You can't catch me.
Why did you need to say na 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 boo boo, bro? That was so
She
unnecessary.
on you too.
Ah!
This chopping machine is the slowest thing I've ever seen, bro.
What about Jeta?
Slow as hell, man.
Chetak machine.
It takes like 10 days to cut up its eyeball, and then I don't even serve
What
it.
Cheetah running, bro?
One more order.
Ah,
You serve it.
I'm gonna make a.
I need to speed run before Cheetah does.
You.
Oh God, you're actually yapping too much, bro.
No, I don't care. I am not serving that dish. I'm going to chill, bring to the
Me and Cheetah racing. But I beat him because I'm faster.
Jata.
Hey,
Jata tak tak. Jata tak tak.
now the
Why
third.
does it show this big?
Exactly.
Jeta flew at last. Nah, that's actually insane.
But I got first before. It's honestly the opposite this time.
Skipping!
Don't skip.
Zayan was.
Skip.
I cannot skip my brothers.
No, I want to fetch this.
Just hold your mouse down above the chat. Spam it.
Happiest.
No, the happiest plants. I wouldn't call them happy, bro. They're getting transplanted by machines.
Transplant.
Appears to be you're harvesting and selling mutant.
Cookies.
Don't care.
I don't know. Leaky pipes.
Pipes. So watch where you step. Finally, an iron
Horticulture.
Horticulture.
full of radishes. Maybe a little too much.
Guys, she's
Who
probably
even
a
likes
little
radishes?
monster. Even if you open a room, just walk away from her. Nothing bad.
Exactly. It's not like she has infinite range to just grab your over, buddy. Did you see how fast Norman is in this round, bro?
I mean, you're slow.
Okay, I'm getting my cucumber first.
She's doing some. All
Norman turned into a speedrunner, da.
those Wally West.
Ajay, you're swimming in the seaweed, bro. Ew.
Yeah, bro. What you gonna do?
I'm gonna make.
He's coming.
Arya, you
Arya got
stupid piece of shit! You
Oh, never mind.
scared,
Jeta
Shut
got
up. I
you
didn't do
scared the
it.
hell out of me, man.
How do you get scared by that, you idiot?
The blood.
Scaredy poke.
You're the fox.
Scaredy poke.
What's a fish?
Scaredy poke is so scared.
I don't know why I.
Who's that? Is that a flounder? Oh my god, this guy is chasing Jetak down. Jetak's so done.
Bro, Chetak, it's not even that hard. Rotation
Unless
is-
you're a Jetak.
Wait, rotation is in progress. So that means we
Ah.
are there.
Need to get one of those
Cats are
wide.
here, so cucumbers here. Cucumbers in third.
Yeah.
I need cucumber.
Cucumber मिल गया.
I want to open radish.
Where is the vegetable farm?
Dumbest Jeeta ever.
The janitor's behind me. Oh,
Okay, da. Wow, da.
That's a
About here?
big skill issue, you idiot.
where is the cucumber?
He might be behind you, but I am behind the janitor.
No, you are not, bro. I can't see.
Okay. Where's the freaking cucumber? This is yay. Jetak got it first try. Boy, Jetak.
Damn, bro! I thought that girl is behind me. Whoever that girl is.
Girly pop would have gotten you.
You get up and fix it.
Jeeta is actually going to use all his life.
Bro was standing right in front of the safe zone door and he died, bro.
I was telling you to fix the thing.
You got popped like
What to fix?
The
Oh, shit,
vegetable
Norman's
farm
after me now.
pictures.
Bro, supposed to fix the
You
side of
see
the
that
radish.
radish sign which fell off? No.
He's trying to fix
Oh,
that.
died.
No.
No way. No actual way.
Bro, he purposefully wanted to
Look,
suicide.
scares you. Jaytak leave the game.
You wanna play Got Mail
I'm
now?
scared.
Shut
He's
up.
chasing me down.
After you're
He's
done,
chasing
let's
me
play
down.
Got Mail.
Now let's play Sinister Bus.
Okay, fine, but
Yes, I'm alive. Norman,
Jaytak,
you are
are you
not
back?
no longer scary. Bing bang,
Jaytak
chill
Police
lang,
Baba.
Norman, I'm out of here, boy.
After this, you wanna play Got Mail, guys?
No, we're going to play the game.
Oh my god, Norman's camping. I actually can't get out of here. I'm stuck in one spot.
Wow, da, nice.
Help!
And he plays the
I think I'm
rifle.
dead. I think I'm dead. Yeah, I'm dead.
Yeah, no, I have not even died once.
Exactly, da. You have too much kill issue. Da.
Wait, no, I have one life left. Yes.
What is all in what is all in Jaytak?
Oh, I got cucumber first try.
Wow, that's so good.
Even I did.
Tell me what this cutting board is cutting. Look.
It's cutting the board, man.
It's cutting air.
It's cutting the board.
How did
Wow,
this do
amazing.
I hear
Oh,
these.
this is what I don't like about this game, man. What is the cutting board doing, man? It's actually just slacking.
It's cutting itself, man. Like, just
Exactly. And it's so damn slow. I could cut faster than that. But machines were meant to be efficient.
Oh my
What
god,
is
this
it doing?
janitor, man.
Gonna
Janitor.
leaky pipe.
But the way Jaytak died was actually insane. He was right in front of me. I said, Jaytak, run! And he's like, nah, bro, I'm gonna stand here and let him get me.
Bro, it was Yimati, bro. Yimati. It was actually Yimati.
Blood tried to farm his aura, but got aura
Oh,
farmed.
Zoya.
His aura is farmed.
Where's the stupid vegetable garden? Okay, I found it.
Coming.
Ah!
He's
Oh,
coming.
what the
Damn, bro, in Swift.
Oh, the stupid radish woman released her poison fart on me.
Bro, squished.
Wish.com.
Which is the radish woman in?
This one. This one. She does nothing. I'm not even joking.
Yeah, you don't have to run from her.
Put the cucumber. We put the
Norman
rice.
is more scary.
Avocado.
No way, Jaytak died.
Jaytak died in rivals also. Da.
That's a
That
big
Swift
sculpture.
standout, man. In Swift standout, you only have 1 HP, bro.
And Swift stand out is so rage bait because mobiles come one shot you down.
Exactly, da.
Why
Just like
would you even
Jaytak.
play Swift standout? Jaytak, you're going to get clapped.
Yeah, I lost 5-0.
That's easy, lol. You know.
In Swift standout, all you have to do is just hide, and I guess that.
It was an arena, bro.
Okay, no, you're actually cooked if it's arena. I'm not.
Is that with mobiles?
Oh my god, this two-eyed beast, dog, looks at me like it's a demon.
How much?
What is two-eyed beast, bro?
This
It's a
flounder.
flounder, man. It's scary. I'm not even joking.
Too scary.
Guys, three more order orders.
You want to order owner from the dark market?
I wouldn't call it fresh fruit if there's a radish woman just spreading her poison
No one
fart
wants to
gas
eat
around.
radish, so what's your problem, bro? Just
My
shut up.
problem is the smell.
Meow, 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 meow.
Flick this game.
You're a giggle.
Get out!
Instead of taking radish baba fluff, I mean not radish baba fluff, avocado baba fluff, I took cucumber.
Somebody tell this Norman to actually clean these
It's
freaking
carrot.
people, bro.
Let's check sunlight.
He's a janitor. He should be
Ah.
cleaning. What is he doing?
Avocado.
Avocado baba fluff fluff.
Shredding only. Totally shredding.
Avocado chapel.
Avocado Nicocabo is coming for you. What did I just say? I'm not.
Avocado, not avocado Nicocado. What happened to
That
that
and
food?
Nikki.
It used to be that peaceful, no?
David Bazuki.
I Vicky Mazuki.
Oh shit, I need an avocado. Where am I going?
Please.
Guys, I was about to get an avocado from the fish section, but then I went to the right one.
I have committed 4 orders. I have at least do 2 and I at least do 3.
Get Swanuri.
2 orders is like the best I can do, man.
Now, how much cases are here, bro? How much sushi do they want?
Mota.
Yoshi, rubber.
But gave them so much sushi.
I found a carrot place. This is the avocado place.
Oh no.
Diane has been touched by Norman, I'm pretty sure.
Oscar.
Oscar 2.0.
Bro, Norman's reaction time is actually insane, bro. I came off for 1 second and he see me. This guy. Dude, I'm not chopping the avocado in this slow machine.
Not
Well, yes, faster! I'm chopping the board, you idiot!
seems a lot efficient in this one.
And apparently machines are there to help you do work faster.
Alright, yeah, exactly. Okay, done. Come ho gaya.
Just one more Jeter.
Oh, we won! Yay! Happy,
No,
happy.
one more.
Eh?
4
There
courses.
are 4 courses.
Yeah! Jetak's last place. Late ID.
Bro, if Jetik was still alive, he would have done more than you.
No, he wouldn't.
Exactly.
What to skip? What to skip? Yes!
Scoring hours and
Okay, now we have to go research and processing.
what the hell am I looking at?
Bro, why is he so fast now?
Sorry, I was about to die, bro.
Hanji! अभी नहीं थोड़ी देर में
अभी नहीं थोड़ी गुनी
What, your mom is asking you to eat food or something?
Get out!
told him.
Get off the game, boy!
I told you that my mom's in Punjab.
Get off the game, man. Get off
Then
the
your father.
game.
Yeah.
Get off the game.
Jetak does not have a father.
Jetak, very bad. Not
Okay, come on,
getting off
Dan.
the
What are you trying to say?
game. Is Norman there?
What is Norman does? See for yourself, idiot.
Exactly.
No, I'm blind.
I'm cooking rice and you're saying that, and you're asking where he is.
Okay, Norman has been spotted.
Yeah. And I'm escaping the Norman.
Bro, now Norman is slow. Goddamn slow, bro. And I want him to pass by fast. This guy, bro.
Hello. I have to do processing now. What do I have to do here,
Now
man?
Jetak just lost in geometry dash.
Totally not walking right behind Norman and chilling right now. Why would anybody even do that? Right?
I died by the machi.
Why? Machi, yeah.
Yeah.
I'm gonna
what
play
does he
We
scary.
went to research and processing.
I'm gonna
No, I
play
haven't.
scary grocery.
Grocery.
Grocery?
Gro
I don't know what the grocery is.
You're getting grocery now.
scary grocery.
Grocery bound.
Scary grocery, but what are you bloody yapping about?
Bro, the grocery will eat you, man.
I bet bro saw broccoli.
Oh my god, I found so much. I found all the slimes in. They just killed all the slimes in Slime RNG. Now they're extracting all the slime juice. They use
Sad life.
slime from slime RNG.
Oh, holy, what is this place, da?
Machada. They protect the slime.
These guys are going to kill me. Why would I ever go in here? What am I serving my customers?
You serve them slime juice.
I died. Bro,
Guys,
these Maxi man. Frick
you
them.
just need good timing, right? As they go past you, just go.
Machad. Help.
I leave the game.
Guys, you ready?
Okay, when I have to leave a game, you think I am playing myself. Oh, let me just drink my slime.
Jacob, no way you're playing a game called Parents Horror. Nah, that's actually insane.
Bro, because his mom is in Punjab, that's why.
Are you that scared of a...
Alright, guys, what are we playing now?
No.
I'm dead by the Machar again.
Aya,
Frick them.
leave.
Yeah, I have to leave.
Alright, guys, what are we playing now?
Let's flip
Did I tell myself to leave?
Jaitak, play Sinister Bus. Come.
Wait for me, Daddy.
Okay,
Okay.
wait.
Okay, then.
Who the hell is Gojo Kirat?
Joe, go what?
Bro, why is this stupid Rian always playing Blox Fruit and trying to bounty hunt while he's in 3rd C and he's bounty hunting in 2nd C, man? What the hell?
The hell? People are laughing.
What was that laugh? Arya, I think you're a
I
little
am going to
conscious.
send this video to your teacher.
Nice. Her name
What
is
are we?
Jayden, please shut up.
Okay.
No cappuccino, shut up, Ito.
What? Who's playing Clive RNG?
Aya,
Arya!
Bro, I'm just seeing what I got.
Oh, what you got? No, get out.
I got something new. It's clay.
That pizza. Blech.
I got.
You got a piece of
AFK in that game.
Linklong kule 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 wata linklong kule.
Is Otto AFK in that game?
No, he left off. Probably.
He's watching Kung Fu Panda 4.
Yeah, we know.
He's obsessed with China.
I'm not even Kung Fu Panda 4. That's just the animated series. Kung Fu Panda 4 is a movie.
No, come on, Arya. Why do you keep on playing Pilot Training Flight Simulator?
Yeah.
So why do you play that parent horror game?
I just wanted to try it, bro. You're always.
Oh, is it that you're scared?
Your chat.
Bro, what's the fight new parents?
Bro, I see. Hey, what is Jetak playing? Parenting tutorial and then I see parent.
Bro, I'll tell you what Jaitak plays.
So I bet they told, hey Jetak, eat this broccoli 100 times and go wash the dishes, bro.
Bro, I'll tell you what's one of Jaitak's favorite games. First is Rivals. Second is Steals that brain rot.
Guys, wanna play Hell Rails where there's a humanoid creature with 6 arms chasing after you upside down?
Oh yeah,
Demonology.
तुम्हारे ज्ञात.
Okay, so Hell Rails or
Why are you calling me?
Sinister Boss, whatever Sinister Boss.
Why are you calling me?
Who is it? J-Talk? Is it Anushka?
Random person.
Oh,
No!
game!
Random
Parent
person only, no?
horror where your mom dies and then you start crying. Okay, bro.
Hello.
Hello.
Oh, where they throw a chapel at you. Okay.
Oh,
Hello.
Ah,
Oh, damn. School also.
What
That's
you
why
doing,
it's crazy.
क्या कर रहा है?
J-Talk bullying कर रहा है.
Chetak couldn't handle his emotions. Bye, Chetak. Hey, Chetak.
J-Talk reads good thing. Why is there a black liquid just spread out?
Bro, why do you sit so close to the camera, man?
It's
You're
why
legit
it's
shoving your
He's
nose
calling
into
me
my.
again. Who the hell is this?
Chairbanda.
He went off.
Yeah, I finished. No, what am I supposed to
Happy,
do?
happy,
Just
happy.
died. You cut his collar. Let's go to
Jeta, stop shoving your nose in the camera, bro. I don't want to see your mushroom
जी तक
cut
से
hair.
हमारे का मेरा चैनल को सब्सक्राइब करो.
What's the channel's name?
जी तक hasn't even subscribed yet.
Yeah, what's the
Get
channel?
out!
What's the channel's name?
I'll give him.
The name of the channel is Scary Shawarma Kiosk.
It's my username. Guys. It's my username.
Sprangs still.
But you have to subscribe and then I need to subscribe.
Frank
to 100
Guzester.
subscribers, then I can video you.
Ah!
Okay, subscribed.
Subscribe!
No subscribe only that soon.
Okay, are we playing Sinister Bus or Hell Race?
Shut up and let me finish the game.
You have
Okay,
98 subscribers.
Yeah.
Guys, do you want to play Rainbow Friends?
That is a Dukia game. So I'm on my final life and I'm in the Super James League. Yes.
Guys, do you want to play Weird Stick Dad?
No, man, all you have to do is sleep. That's it.
Sleep, eat, and drink. A third
That's
salad.
Bro, that's what basically a third does every day.
No, I think Jay screams fine.
Guys, what are we playing now? We won't play without Zan, but what are we playing now?
back. I just subbed to Zion on my mom's phone.
So now he has 99 subscribers. Arya, join whatever game you want to join.
Oh yeah.
Some Sinister Bus or something.
It is the golden grab.
Sinister Goon Wachak.
Hanji!
Vachak King Sarvana.
Hanji. Why do you always say Jetak, you have to go.
You have to go now, bye.
He's turning into Authorita. Huh? Hanji.
Budget.
I think Author is the budget. He just says, huh. And this guy at least says,
Bro, Zayan has 99 subscribers. Exit 8. The miming chapter was insane.
are you going to join Sinister Gooning Bus or not, bro? Arya,
Yeah.
join Gooning Bus, bro.
Going in the testing factory.
There's a game called Goon Maxing. I'm joking, chill. There's a game called Sigma Sigma Boy, bro.
Yeah, bro. After that, nobody believes you.
No, there's a game called Sigma Boy Obby.
Sigma
Search
boy.
it up, I dare you. There's 9 players on it.
Sigarmar boy.
Do not believe me, I will goon on you.
Okay, da. Wow, da.
And I will call Jetak to make some cream with you.
Jetak already left. Lol. Lol.
The Sinister Realm presents. Hey, this is no Sinister anything, bro. What are you on, Sinister Realm? Oh my god, no, I do not want to invite any more friends, you pop-up maxer.
Very bad, da. You can't invite Zayan also, da.
Hey, he's not completed with his game, bro.
I'm in the final chase scene.
Exactly. Shut up.
Who is chasing?
Fast fire rate using with infinite ammo. No, shut up.
Very fast fire rate. Uzi with infinite ammo. Wow.
We're going to the portal to another dimension.
There's a part 2 or something.
Kamla, let's go to the gutter.
Yeah,
Gattara.
two.
Yeah, da. Come.
Hey, Gata Tartar, my boy. Gata Tartar. Hey, hey.
Raccoon.
Gata
Bro, what is the use of raccoon, man? It's for 10 Robux.
steals items. Oh my god. Please stop shoving pop-ups in my face.
Bro, it likes to pop you so much. It likes to pop you like a pop-up. And I'm driving the bus,
I don't care.
Really?
I am driving.
man.
I'm going to be Gadi Wala Aya.
No, I'm the guy.
Shut up and wait for me, you impatient.
You are no such driver, Arya. I am the driver,
I'm
man.
the god, man.
I have no license, means I should be driving, bro.
Even I don't have any license.
No, you have license. I saw in your back pocket yesterday. I was trying to pickpocket you, but you had
Okay,
nothing.
bye bye.